What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the showroom, and now I'm going to be speaking to you a little bit more about our oak veneered newel post cladding. Our oak veneered newel post cladding sets come in 4 pieces of veneered MDF, each 6mm thick, designed to clad around your existing newel post. The 4 MDF panels are held together by 4 pieces of angle moulding measuring 18 by 18mm. These mouldings not only secure the panels, but they also provide a smooth, professional finish by covering the joints and imperfections. Measuring your post for our cladding sets is simple. Just take a tape measure and measure across the top of your newel post to determine the size of the newel post cladding set you'll need. When fitting, 2 of the MDF panels sit directly against the post. The remaining 2 pieces overlap slightly, enclosing the post fully and creating a solid, square edge finish. Finally, the angle mouldings are applied, completing the transformation. Okay, we're on location with Craig from CA Properties, where today he's going to be installing oak veneered newel post cladding. Now, this post it's still really solid, to be honest. It's still really sturdy, but you know it's a bit dated, it's a bit old. So the owner of the house wanted to clad it and give it that nice solid oak finish. So today we've got our 4 pieces of oak veneered MDF, and these will be attached to our old post, and it will be held together by 4 pieces of our angle moulding, giving you the presentation of a brand new newel post at the fraction of the cost. So let's go to a sneaky time lapse and show you how it works. Yeah, during this installation, Craig will be using some high quality wood adhesive and some expanding foam to fill up those gaps to ensure all that loose space is filled and our oak is secured down correctly. All of our renovation components are supplied untreated, giving you the complete freedom to customise the colour and finish to suit your home. For an alternative newel post cladding set, be sure to check out our mitered newel post cladding sets that are also available on our website. And for more step-by-step guidance or in-depth tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.